In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add HTML to Google Site. This is a useful skill when you want to display custom content on your page, like a special layout, a styled section. Google Sites makes this possible using the Embed tool, which places your code inside an embeddable block on the page. Start by opening your Google Site in your web browser. Make sure you are in editing mode so you can change the page content. Once your site editor is open, look to the right-hand sidebar where you will see different options for building your page. Click the Insert tab in that right sidebar. This is where Google Sites keeps the tools for adding text boxes, images, buttons, and embedded content. In the Insert panel, find and click Embed. This opens a window that lets you add outside content in two ways, by a link or by code. Select the Embed Code tab. This is important because you are adding HTML or JavaScript directly, not just embedding a web page URL. In the box provided, paste your HTML or JavaScript code. Before you move on, it helps to quickly scan your code for missing brackets or incomplete tags, since small formatting issues can prevent the embed from displaying correctly. After your code is in place, click Next. Google Sites will show you a preview of how the embed will look. If the preview looks right, click Insert to add it to your page. Your embedded content will now appear as a block on the canvas. Now resize the embedded block so it fits your content. You can drag the edges to adjust width and height. Take a moment to make sure nothing is cut off and the spacing looks clean alongside the rest of your page elements. When you are happy with the placement and size, click Publish so your changes go live. If you have published this site before, confirm that you are publishing to the correct web address. Once publishing finishes, your HTML embed will be part of your live Google site. That covers everything you need to know.